As you guys know from the last clip, my May drawers arrived after 3 months, but as the project has gone on, the shade of grey has changed, and also those drawers just weren't up to quality. They weren't up to scratch. I wanted drawers that, you know, would slide in and slide out, not drawers you'd have to carry in and out. So for £400 a drawer, I need drawers that are, you know, soft closing and, you know, are on a rail. And the made ones surprisingly weren't. I kind of expected them to be, simply because they were £400, but that's not the case. So although I didn't want anything IKEA in my room, when I looked around at all the drawers, there just wasn't something that fit the bill. So with the design that I kind of wanted, the drawers were smaller, but they tend to be around like £300–400, and I just wasn't really willing to spend that if the drawers were going to be a lot smaller. So what I've decided to do is go with good old trusted IKEA, even though I didn't want anything IKEA. But I am going to customize my drawers just a little bit with the handles. So rather than have these handles here, so I've actually built the drawers already, rather than go with these handles, I'm going to go with these ones instead. And then I'm going to change them, and then yeah, let's get into it. So the next thing we're going to go on to is my gallery wall, which is going to be in my stairway, and I used Desenio Prints to be able to create my own gallery wall. Now you can use the gallery wall feature on the Desenio website, however, in terms of how I wanted my gallery wall to look, it didn't have something for me to be able to use, so I just used an online software to kind of create my own, which you'll be able to see overlaid on this clip, how I kind of really quickly created my own gallery wall so that I know what prints goes where and what goes with what. So yeah, pretty much did that. So I'm going to put all the art in the frames today, and then when the install day comes, we've got all the prints ready and good to go. So I also got some prints from Desenio, and these are the IKEA frames that I'm talking about. These are the ribber ones, and they're 40 by 50. You can either use them this way or this way, but I'm going to use them in the portrait mode. So I've got a lot of portrait prints from Desenio. So let's get putting them in. Also, actually, I got some gold frames from Desenio too, only because I couldn't find all the sizes of gold frames in IKEA, and their frames were a little bit too chunky for me. So I got Desenio ones, which are much better quality. So yeah, let's unbox everything. Look at the size of this frame. I'm actually so excited. So this is one of their prints. This print took ages because it was out of stock for a long time. But I just love the print so much. I don't know if you can really see it that well, but this print is called Soft Lines, and I just want to be able to like come back from a day's work, and then when I'm coming upstairs, I want the gallery wall to help me feel like I'm on my way up to heaven. Like I'm going to a peaceful place, and I want the gallery wall to kind of guide me up there, so everything is very peaceful and serene and like airy fairy, so that, you know, I'm just helping myself go up to sleep. So yeah, that's the idea behind the gallery wall. What size is this? So I've done all the frames. Desenio was kind enough to gift me with all of these gorgeous prints. I'm still waiting for a few more. But if you are interested in some of the prints that I got, then Desenio have kindly given me a discount code, which is here. and I'll also leave it in the description box. Discount code lasts from this date to this date, so get purchasing if you like some of the prints. And when we do have install day and Gemma is back, I will show you the prints up, I will show you the gallery wall, I'll show you the prints that are going to go in my room. I think I'm really pleased with how everything came packaged. Nothing was destroyed or broken, because trust me, I have had things come broken and they've been expensive, so I don't understand why, but that's besides the point. I will see you guys on install day when everything is going to be in its place and my room will no longer look like a bomb hit it. Yeah guys, I think that's pretty much everything in this video. I will show you the prints and then you will see them in the next video, which is install day. Don't forget to hit subscribe guys, I would really appreciate it. Leave some comments down below. Anything that I'm wearing will be listed down below. Earrings, top, headscarf is old but hey ho. And I think that is everything. So please, I see you people later, because I still got a lot of stuff to clear up, and I shall see you on my next video. Peace.